We have a 15 lot complex. Can we be forced into a strata loan by our managing agent when we have no way of paying it back? And what happens when we don't pay anything back? What is the law likely to do to us?
Gosh. All right. So I'm just going to unpack this piece by piece. So the strata, I'm not sure why the strata manager is voting on such a matter. I presume that they may have proxies, but in which case they're only entitled to have one. So I'm not really sure why the strata manager would be forcing anyone into that. Maybe you feel forced. I'm not sure what So first of all, they don't have legislative power to force the owners to vote in a strata to put in a strata loan for you. As I mentioned before, under section, I'll just go back to it. Section 106, an owners corporation must maintain common property. So maybe they're talking about you must maintain common property. In terms of what would happen if you had a strata loan and it wasn't being paid, usually they're effectively loans, as I understand it, loans secured against the cash flow, so they're unsecured. However, they probably have rights in there to recover from the strata scheme. I'm not sure if all owners are bound as personally on that. However, I think that the next step, if a strata loan wasn't repaid, would be a compulsory order from us from the NCAT. And this first thing that the new strata manager under a compulsory appointment would do would be to raise a special levy on the owners. So I think you would have to pay it back in any case, if that makes sense.